Why is lotus seed a must-have superfood? Unlocking the secrets of lotus seeds, nature's nutritional treasure. Dive into the enchanting world of lotus seeds, the hidden gems of the Nelumbo nucifera flower. These captivating seeds, encased in elegant pods that rise above serene waters, are not only a visual delight but also a powerhouse of nutrition. Nutritional marvels. Imagine a single seed offering a wealth of benefits: magnesium for nerve stability, calcium for robust bones, and fiber for digestive harmony. But that's just the beginning. With vitamin C to bolster immunity and antioxidants like vitamin E to combat free radicals, lotus seeds are a holistic health boon. Discover the lesser-known plumule, the soft green shoot within, cherished in traditional Chinese medicine as lian zxian. This delicate ingredient is revered for its ability to balance the pH of our body and promote relaxation, perfect for the changing seasons. Autumnal delights. As the leaves turn and the air cools, warm your spirit with these nourishing recipes. Recipe 1: Lotus Seed Lily Bulb Pear Drink. Prepare 1 pear. 10 grams of lotus seeds. 10 grams of lily bulbs. 1 small snow fungus. 5 grams of rock sugar and 600 milliliters of water. Put all the ingredients into a nut milk maker to blend into a sweet, soothing elixir. Enjoy! Recipe 2: Balance Body pH Sweet Soup, *. 10 grams of lotus seeds. 10 grams of lily bulbs. 5 grams of goji berries. 5 grams of rock sugar and 600 milliliters of water. Cook over medium heat for 10 minutes and savor this revitalizing soup. Enjoy! Recipe 3: Sweet Dream Tea. 10 grams of lotus seeds. 5 grams of dry rose bulb. 5 red dates and 800 milliliters of water. Simmer for 15 minutes, and drift into tranquility with every sip. Enjoy! Embark on a sensory journey this autumn, celebrating the lotus seed's rich heritage and health benefits while indulging in these heartwarming recipes. Let the essence of the lotus inspire calmness and nourishment in your life. If you enjoyed the recipe and would like to join us to explore more organic wellness tips, feel free to like us and subscribe us.